In for Nashville is Dean Wilson. Hopefully, we get the last 4 rounds without any crashes and any injuries, and we can finish off his farewell tour on a high note. Maybe top 10, top 5. Let's knock on wood. I really like Dean Wilson, so I'd love to see him actually do well. And I don't know. Personally, that's a biased thing, but hopefully we do get to see him for the last 4 weeks because that pretty much sounds like the end of it. Doesn't sound like he has any interest in doing outdoors for some SMX points, so this looks like to be the legitimate end of his professional racing career, at least the week to week part of it. Who knows if he'll do some fill-in rides or whatever. Obviously, we've missed him for the last 6 weeks after he fractured his scapula. But he did say, quote, "The good thing with my scapula was that I could still train quite a lot. Like a couple days after, I was back on my road bike cycling, so I just tried my best to keep my fitness up because the thing is, when you come back from an injury, you lose a lot of fitness, obviously. If you're not on the bike, you're not riding, you don't have that kind of cardio work, you do lose a lot, but hopefully we do. We get to see him in Nashville. We get to see him for the last 4 weeks, and hopefully he does well. I like I said, I'm biased. I like Dean Wilson. I've liked him for many a year. He's probably one of the coolest, most fun, personable people, racing. And I'd like to see him do some fun stuff after this. I don't know, but who do you guys think wins Nashville? Obviously, we come into this with 2 red plates in the 450s. So who leaves with it? Because obviously it's only going to be one person after this. And Webb looks like he's got a pretty good, how you want to say, momentum. But hopefully Dean Wilson, like I said, does well. Hopefully we get a good race in general. But comment down below, who do you think wins 450s, 250s? Who do you think wins the championship and overall for both? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me out a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.